grabbed my phone and like I was just hearing weird noises. I don't hear them anymore, but then like there's like a weird thing over there. Like I have no idea. It was like over there-ish. That's the thing. And like I was hearing like Yahoo stuff over there. Then I heard rustling over there. And like then I seen like that grass back there moving, the yellow grass. And then I just found this really weird thing. Look. Where did it go? Right there. Do you see that? Do you see it? That little trash can thing? It might be little for y'all, but it's big for me. And it's really weird. And yeah.